Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on an Infiniti Q50. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the arm. Hold onto the wiper arm securely during this step. You don't want it to accidentally spring back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Remember to repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Infiniti Q50. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them using the windshield washer fluid. Watch to ensure they make full contact with the glass and provide clear, streak-free visibility. This simple maintenance helps keep you safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.